So I still have to walk at least, I would say, around 11 kilometers from now. So it seems that it's going to be a long walk for me. But you know what, I'm up for it. It's too sunny all of a sudden today, I don't know why, but it seems to be a lot of sun. A little bit of shade on this side actually. Just spend your time and be healthy. So we got an important sign up in here, thought to share with you guys. So there's actually a lot of water on this side. I'm not sure if you guys can actually see this. So as you guys can see, it has been a long walk so far. So I came actually from that area on the side, and then all I can see up in here is the bridge, as you can see on the top. It seems that I am enjoying the walk, and I hope I can finish it today. So I have been walking from that area on that side. So I'm right now walking under a bridge, as you can see on the top. So now I'm going to walk uphill, so it's not funny, guys. So while I was walking, I just discovered this thing. I really wanted to go down, but it seems it's going to be impossible for me to come up here again. So I have been walking from almost 1.5 hours now. So all I want to do right now is to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do right now. you guys can see one more bridge up in here. So we got one more up in here, and this one is big. So it has been almost 2.5 hours so far. One more bridge up in here this time. This is a small one actually. So there is this fence, and across this there is something secret which I wanted you guys to see. Let me see how this works, okay? So it has been almost 3 hours now. So I'm almost on my first stop actually. has been an exciting day so far. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.